Alright, here we go. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna tell you to do it.
Gangsta
Right here.
style, that's right.
Oop, do it again. Good job. Good job.
Okay, move away, move away. It's moving. You did it.
No, it's running away. It's running away. It's running away.
Good job, Dia.
Yay.
So that's
You
what
got
that thing
another model
is.
Or anything, or is this the same one you had back at our house?
Same one.
So that's what this thing is.
Yep.
Whee! Watch out.
Don't touch it. Oh, it's coming to you, Dia.
Uh-oh.
My brother doing my brother starting the turkey fryer. My brother Jim always fries the turkey.
Does that really work, or is,
Pretty good.
has he ever blown up a house?
No. He does it way outside. He knows what he's doing. See, look, he's got the wood plank under it and everything. He doesn't even have grass.
Okay.
It's confused.
It's lost because it's
No, it's doing wall finding.
Ah.
So it's following every object in a pattern.
No.
Very clever dog.
Yes.
Yep. So it's intentionally going around the
Yeah.
chair like that in a pattern.
I like it too. The other thing I like about it is it's real quiet. It's not very loud, like at
Right.
all.
Yep. Now it's seen its home base infrared beam, and now it's gonna go find, and now it's gonna go dark. Because I told it to. There be whales here.
So the military version not only has a machine gun to shoot people, but also picks up his own shell casings.
That's true.